We're at Boveway Drive in Liskeard to see this 3-bedroom open plan property. So this particular one is the end, so really lovely position. Just take you inside. So nice enclosed front area, 2 allocated parking spaces to the front, really nice cul-de-sac location. So the properties were completed in 2024. So come on in. Firstly, opens into entrance area and downstairs toilet. So you can really take in the space in this house. It's lovely. So really light and bright, really good sized lounge area. They're great quality, these properties. So understairs cupboard, dining area, you've got space there for bar stools, and a really good sized kitchen, great for entertaining. So the rear patio doors onto a really good sized patio. You've also got side access, and I'll show you upstairs. So the property is heated through air source heating. You do have to have a local connection to Liskeard and surrounding areas to qualify, so please do check that you do meet criteria. Bathroom with shower over. The second bedroom, which does have wardrobes. Really good sized window looking out. Going to be a nice meadow just on there. So master bedroom, really good size here, and this has wardrobes as well. So looking out, really good quality properties. They're available long term. Finally, third bedroom, which is still a very good size, and nicely it has 2 windows, so aspects from both areas. If you're interested, do get in contact.